Welcome! Today we'll cover how to fix videos not playing on Snapchat with the latest updates. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps together. Step 1. Check your internet connection and consider using a VPN if necessary to ensure a stable connection for video playback on Snapchat. Step 2. Verify that your mobile device supports video playback, as older devices may struggle to play videos smoothly due to hardware limitations. Step 3. Restart the Snapchat app to refresh its functions and address any temporary issues that may be causing video playback errors. Step 4. Update the Snapchat app to the latest version available on the App Store to access enhancements and bug fixes that can resolve video playback issues. Step 5. Clear cache and data by accessing your device's settings, locating the Snapchat app, and clearing its cache and data. Remember to restart your phone after completing this step for a clean slate. Step 6. Check for available storage space on your device, as low storage can impact app performance, including video playback on Snapchat. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix videos not playing on Snapchat, ensuring a seamless video viewing experience on the platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to address video playback issues on Snapchat. Implement these steps to enjoy uninterrupted video sharing and viewing on the app. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative guides and tutorials. Stay informed about troubleshooting techniques and updates to enhance your social media interactions on Snapchat.